Brothers, sisters. Yeah, so I'm in Gambia, okay, and I'm touring our local food or local food across Africa. And I found myself in, what's the place called?
Latukuna German.
Latukuna German, okay, and I found this amazing lady over here. She has a Ghanaian parent, but born in Gambia, okay, and she has this amazing recipe called Doris Delicious Restaurant. So, madam, how you doing?
Fine, thank you.
So you are Doris, right?
Yes, I'm Doris.
You are Doris. So tell us the whole thing about this restaurant, your life and everything.
Okay, I'm Doris. I was born in Gambia,
Okay.
but I left to Ghana at a tender age.
Okay.
I came back and I realized there were not like Ghanaian delicacies over here, so I decided to put up something like this so that the Ghanaians can enjoy at least their delicacies over here.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that was the whole setup and the whole idea.
Yes.
And how is business?
Yeah, business is fine. Business is going on, you know. And the most important thing is the Gambians, the other nationalities are also liking our food.
Our
so that
food.
is a plus.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're loving our Ghanaian food.
Yes.
Please come closer a bit. Come closer, please, so I can be in the middle. So what kind of food do you cook over here?
Okay, we have Ghanaian dishes, we have Nigerian dishes, we have Gambian dishes as well. Yeah.
Okay. And what are some of the Ghanaian and Nigerian that you cook?
Okay, for the Ghanaian dishes, we have banku, we have kinke, we have wache.
Okay.
And for fufu, you can order for it and we'll make it for you.
So you make order. Someone can call you for an order.
Of course.
Oh, okay. That's delivery.
Yes.
I know about the Gambian food.
Benechin.
Benechi, that's the Gambian jollof.
Yes.
And Nigerian?
We have fufu, we have egusi soup, we have okra soup, we have vegetable soup. Yeah.
Wow. Man, so amazing stuff, and you see the list that she's mentioning. If you're in Gambia, you're Nigerian or Gambian, and want something authentic to enjoy, man, comes to Doris Delicious Restaurant. What's the address to this place?
Yeah, this is Latukuna German, adjacent Afrisel.
Okay. So if someone comes and want apetishi, can you get?
Of course, we can get it for
apetishi.
you. Of course.
Apetishi, palm wine.
Anyone you want. You can
Everything,
get it
anything.
Yes.
Man, for Shizzle Manizo, so if you just heard it, amazing stuff in Gambia. It's really amazing that to see a Ghanaian doing Ghanaian thing in Gambia and she's succeeding or everything's going on well with her. It's amazing. So let's support her and let's buy from her as well. I saw that you do free delivery.
Yes,
when is that?
do. Okay, we have different sorts of payments.
Okay.
You can do cash. You can do Afri money, you can do wave.
Okay.
And normally we have Afri Fridays.
Okay.
That is when you order food through Afri money, you get free delivery.
Free delivery.
Yeah.
We no pedeng. We pedeng. Kamo to our kodo for Shizzle Manizo. Let's meet again. If this is the first time watching, kindly subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a brother. Cooking with Sindaco, Gambia Diaries behind, and I'm here with Doris, Delicious. What do you call it? Restaurant, right? Bar and restaurant. Yeah. Telephone number.
7086349.
Okay. For the next one, I'm out. Hello, brothers. Yeah, so I'm in Gambia enjoying it, man. I'm here at Doris Delicious Restaurant, and I have my friend here. He's a Gambian, and as you can see, he has kinky and fish. According to sources, this is his favorite food. So he being a Gambian, I would like to ask why and where did he learn eating this food from? So, bossman, where are going? Everything I read? Good. Come to lunch. Thank you.
Yes.
So, what's your name, please?
My name is Bajense.
Bajense. So, you're full Gambian?
Yeah, full Gambian.
No, so what are you doing here in your Ghanaian restaurant?
It's lunchtime.
It's lunchtime.
This is just right here, Afrimoni. So, we're just right there. If you want to know who Afrimoni is,
okay.
So we're network.
Okay, so you do the Momo, kind of Momo transfer.
Exactly.
Okay.
And it's easy to transaction.
Okay.
And she also accepts it here.
Sure.
That's not the reason why we're on this.
Sure. So African food, I do food videos. That's why I'm in Gambia. To showcase our local food to us Africans into the world. And I see that you're eating the food which is not in your country. So what made you start eating this?
Okay, eating genki is kind of nostalgic for me.
Okay.
Because back in school, I used to be in the school. Right?
Okay.
So we used to have a lady called Mrs. Donko.
Mrs. Donko.
She used to
Ghanaian?
Yes.
Okay.
She used to bring genki to us to school.
Really?
Primary school.
Wow.
When we moved to junior school, we had a place called Kenke House.
Kenke House.
So all of us used to meet there, the teachers, everybody. And we all used to have meetings on Kenke.
So
this was nostalgic.
That means it is something that if you grew up with, more or less.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's rather unfortunate. I don't know how to cook it. But then again, I prefer it that way.
So big shout out to Mrs. Donko for
yeah.
wow.
Also, this is because of Doris. since I came here, Doris has made me fat.
Doris restaurant.
Yeah, I was not like this 6 months ago. I was not like this.
Okay.
But Doris made me like this.
Yeah, Doris.
Again, shout out to Doris restaurant.
Yeah.
Best place to come and eat.
Yes, I.
Variety of food. Yeah, just look at that.
Okay, look at this.
It's a mature fish.
We call it inchichos. Inchichos.
Yeah, just go with what he says.
Inchichos. Like when you put inside oil, you make
Yes.
Isn't that
And I love the spice that is it kwache,
shito.
the shito sauce and everything. Perfect.
Perfect, amazing.
So yeah,
African food. So
yeah. And you know when I went to Ghana, I tried.
Have you been to Ghana before?
Yes, I transited at the airport, so I had what they had what they call red.
Gobe.
The beans and then they stuck the fish underneath.
Yeah. Wow.
In that red in Gambia we call it nyambe nyambe.
Nyambe.
We call it not nyambe nyambe.
Nyambe nyambe.
Nyambe is the beans.
Beans, okay. Nyambe nyambe. Okay.
Yeah, nyambe is the cassava. But this one, I think that one didn't have cassava.
Okay.
It was just the beans on top and then underneath was red.
Wow.
That was nice.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
But that is mine.
Yeah,
So
sure.
from here we finish, we go give her the money.
What's my good? Very cool.
Lanjuruto min jedentinin alola dadon mbenga sede ako nyimu alola dam Lanjuruto min jedentinin alola dadon nga sede ako nyimu alola daridi Wait alola darum nga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Lanjuruto la kumbo nyimete balova nga sede ako nyimu alola geng Lanjuruto la wasio nyimete balova nga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Wait, alola kerong nga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Wait, alola kerong mbenga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Iwada dunia wo nyimu alola kiridi Alingala njuru tolu boya ngela nyanto di la dunia kono nga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Lanjuru to min jetending alola kerong mbenga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Nyaka sita lanjuru to la dunia go mokana tulwela Wait alola kerong mbenga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi Nyaka sita lanjurta da dunia jang mokana tulwela Wait alola kerong nga sede ako nyimu alola kiridi